Hello, gorgeous. Aquaba to you all. Today, we are going to prepare mushroom cabbage stew with white rice. Let's get started. We start by washing our plantain leaves and introduce our ingredients. These are all the ingredients for today's recipe. We have onion, pepper, garlic, bell pepper and carrots, tomatoes, cabbage, tomato paste, mackerel, mushrooms, salt and white rice. Our ingredients are fully ready for today's recipe. We bring in our coal pot, pour charcoal into it and light up the fire. Pour water onto the cabbage, wash and chop into pieces. Pour water onto the chopped cabbage, cover and put on fire. Wash the earthenware bowl, wash the pepper and begin to grind. We then check our boiling cabbage on fire. Wash our mushrooms and add it to the boiling cabbage on fire. Sprinkle a little bit of salt onto it and cover to boil. We wash our tomatoes, onions and bell pepper and begin to slice. Check the boiling mushrooms and cabbage on fire, take it off and strain the water out from it. Add more charcoal onto the fire and put the pot on it. Continue to slice the ingredients. We pour oil into the pot on fire, add slices of onion, tomatoes and bell pepper and begin to stir. We add the grinded pepper, continue stirring and cover to boil. We slice some carrots and garlic in addition to the bell pepper. We add the tomato paste into the stew and stir. Add in powdered pepper and continue stirring. Cover to boil. We wash our mackerel very well and break into the stew. Add the remaining chopped ingredients and stir for a colorful look. Add in the boiled mushrooms and cabbage into the stew. Mix very well. We then put a pot on the fire and pour oil into it. Slice some onions and allow it to fry for some time. Pour the rice into it and stir till it mixes very well with the oil. Add some salt, stir, add in your water and continue to stir and then cover to boil. Wash a plantain leaf, check and stir the rice and cover with the plantain leaf and a lid. Leave it on fire for some few minutes to be well cooked. Take off the lid and check your rice. Stir and cover to continue boiling. Our rice is now ready to be served. We start to serve the first plate straight from the fire. Take the pot off the fire and continue to serve the remaining plates. Mushroom cabbage stew is one of the best recipes myself and the entire family can't do away with because it's very healthy and nutritious. Thank you so much for joining us on this one. Kindly like, share and leave your comments for more episodes. And it's time for consumption. You are all invited. This is so yummy. Tell us where you are watching us from and we will serve you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Mackerel.